In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of opening Excel and learning your way around the workspace. Before we dive into creating spreadsheets and performing complex data analysis, it's essential to start with the foundation, understanding how to access Excel and navigate it efficiently. Whether you're completely new to the environment or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the initial steps on your journey to becoming comfortable with using Excel. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Google account. If you already have your credentials handy, open your preferred browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate and click on your profile icon, which is generally found in the top right corner of the browser window. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your browser again. There you'll find an icon that looks like a grid or a series of dots, commonly known as the Google Apps icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down list of various Google services. You'll see many options here, including Docs, Drive, and Calendar, among others. For this purpose, we want to focus on Sheets. Click on Sheets, which is Google's convenient tool for creating spreadsheets online. After opening Google Sheets, you'll be presented with a variety of templates, but since we're starting from scratch, let's click on plus blank to open a new sheet. This action opens a fresh spreadsheet ready for you to enter data, make calculations, and more. By doing this, you've just created a new sheet, which will serve as your workspace for today and in all your future projects. Congratulations! You've now learned how to access Excel, or in this case, Google Sheets, and open a new spreadsheet. Understanding where everything is within this workspace is your first step toward mastering the software. Familiarizing yourself with this platform will make the transition to more advanced tasks much smoother. This foundational knowledge of navigating to and opening Google Sheets is vital for moving forward in your Excel journey. Each time you want to create a spreadsheet or explore data, you'll know precisely where to go. As you become more accustomed to this workspace, you'll start discovering new tools and features that will enhance your efficiency and productivity. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve into creating your first spreadsheet. We'll cover entering data, organizing information, and even implementing some basic formatting techniques to make your document both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching.